Gang gang, gang gang, skin popping, glass skin popping, glass gang gang. Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I am Amaka of Skybelle Beauty. If you're a returning subscriber, you're most welcome. Please follow me on Instagram because I post things you won't see here on YouTube. It's always lit. It's a different me on Instagram. Direct link to my IG page is in the description box. Without wasting much time, let's get started. I wanted to do an intro in the studio. This is after the video, but we're going to go in vlog style today. So let's roll. So the first thing I like to do when I wake up in the morning is to just stretch and rouse myself because I'm usually very tired. And yeah, I just go through my phone to wake myself up, go through my messages, go through social media very briefly, and then I stand up, say a prayer, and move straight to arranging and laying my bed on the spot, making sure it's nice and neat. And yeah. Hey guys, and good morning. Welcome to my humble abode. So I literally just woke up today and I decided to film a typical Saturday in my life. I work a 9 to 5 now, so I literally have just Saturdays to kind of do stuff and get things done. Typically I would do my laundry, clean around the house, wash my makeup brushes, and just get ready and get prepared for the coming week and have a little pamper session. So let's get started. So I move on to arranging my makeup desk. Trust me guys, this is the only time I get to do this because in the mornings I'm always rushing off and it's always a hot mess. You can't do your makeup and your table is neat. Then I proceed to sweep and mop the parlor. I like to mop and clean twice, I don't know. And then I move on to do my laundry, just prepare myself for the coming week. And this is the part I don't like, but I have to do it. And now I move on to my skincare, exfoliate my lips with brown sugar, make sure I brush my teeth, and just prep my skin. Now I'm doing a gel peel here, and yeah, who doesn't love slow-mo? Felt like I was in a makeup commercial. I'm ready guys, I just need a contract. So yeah, I'm using a gel peel by the Body Shop, and I'm preparing myself for the aftermath pamper session. All right, welcome. So I am back in the studio and it's time to finish up with my pamper session. So I'm just putting a bit of vitamin E oil on my lips. Guys, I have been rocking this for the past 3 weeks and this is the best lip gloss ever. And it's great on scars, like I put them on the scars I have, and then even injuries. It helps with the healing process. So for the grand finale of my pamper session today, I'm done with all my chores. I've had my shower. I'm ready to rest. I'm going in with a clay mask. It's a beauty formula mask with activated charcoal, and it's designed to bubble up and foam upon application to help clean and clarify the skin. It leaves skin feeling fresh and revitalized. It's formulated with charcoal and it's designed to activate upon contact with air. The bubbles are slowly created, getting to work and detoxifying the skin. The magnet-like charcoal holds on to excess oil and other impurities so that it can be easily rinsed off, leaves your skin feeling clean and refreshed. First off, this smells heavenly. Oh my goodness. This is the kind of perfume I would like. It's very cool. So clean and dry your face. I've already done that. Open the sachet and unfold the pre-moistened charcoal detoxifying bubble mask and apply it to your face immediately. When exposed to air, the mask begins to bubble and foam. Allow the bubble to develop both under and on top the mask. Leave for approximately 15 minutes. Gently remove the mask, peeling it carefully from the edges. Rinse and pat dry. It's already foaming up. So which part is for the eye and which part is... Oh, okay. I figured it out. My camera shut off, so I couldn't capture the whole foaming process, but Yo, I feel like my face is being engulfed by this mask. I feel like lagbaja. That's the honest truth. It says to leave on for 15 minutes. So we're going to do just that. So the timer has gone off. It's time to peel off our mask. It felt really, really good. This particular mask you're supposed to rinse and pat dry. So I'm actually going to rinse it. I am back from the rinse off and I must say I feel very, very, very good. And I highly recommend stuff like this to everyone basically. If you work a 9 to 5, just take out your weekends and give yourself a 10-minute pamper session. I feel like facials, masks, peels, gel peels are really nice ways to just relax and unwind. So I'm actually going to complete my skincare off camera. My face feels a little bit dry. I'm going to use my Zapzids niacinamide and I'll top up with sunscreen. Don't forget sunscreen. Yes, that's how I do every single day. Yes, all the products mentioned are available for sale on my page. All you have to do is send me a DM and we'll get to talking. The direct link to my Instagram is in the description box. Anytime I do this, I always feel amazing afterwards. Last week, I had my ordinary AHA PHA peel and I actually filmed a video of that. So I have that up on my channel. So do watch that. And I felt good. I mean, it's just 10 minutes, but you know, there's just something relaxing and detoxifying about it. Not just on the skin, but also in the mind, in the body, and in the soul. And you feel very re-energized for the coming week. If you don't work a 9 to 5, you can pick a Monday. Hey, I mean, pick a Monday morning and make it a pamper session. For me, this is how I like to unwind. So I didn't want to wear a wig or nothing. I wanted to come on here the exact way I would normally do this, with my wig cap on and just chilling, you know. So thank you guys so much for watching. This is my first time trying something like this, showing you around my house and all that. It felt a little bit weird, but I feel like, hey, it's a lovely experience to let you guys in. And please don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell notification so you are notified once I have a new upload. I will see you in my next video. Love you. And remember, you are all that and a bag of chips. Bye guys.